next we are going to have logical operators. Logical operators, what it does is, right, basically we are making one division. Previously we made division with greater than, less than or something, and then we are going to have one more division. If you want to compare both the decision, this is the decision giving either true or false, this is giving a decision either true or false, and I want to make a choice where both are true. In that case, how will I do it? There is an operator called and. If both are true, I want to make a choice. In that case, you can use and. If one of them is true, I'm okay with make a choice in the logic, right? We will be writing code in logic. In that case, we have to make a choice, right? If both one of them is true, I'm okay to continue, right? In that case, you can use or. And there's one more thing. If this is true, I don't want to continue. If this is false, I want to continue. Now make a choice opposite to what the value, I know what the output is, what the boolean output is. That's a not operator. So we'll give you one example because it's also simple things. We'll go quickly, and I'm going to make a choice when 3 less than 2 and 3 less than 3 less than, okay, let me go with like something like real time kind of a thing. A equal to, I'll go with a equal to 2, b equal to 4. I'm having one more thing, one more set. C equal to 5 and d equal to 6. I'm going to make a choice. A less than, let's see, a less than b. Let's print it here. Okay, I'll just take this to memory. A less than b. Let's make, what is this? A is less than 4, so it is giving me 4 true, and c less than d. Okay, it is also giving true, and I want to make a choice. If both of them are true, I want to make that choice. In that case, what I will do is a less than b and c less than d. If both are matched, you will get true. If one of them is not matched, here I'm going to slightly make a change. Here instead of 2, I'm going to give 7. Eventually 7 is not less than 4, right? So this will become false, and this again will be true. Here it will be false because this was false, so it is going to be, if both of them, one of them even is false, it is going to be false. So that's how it works. I'm going to again make a change like 2. It is going to be true, true, true. This is how it works. Okay, what I will do is that I will quickly change here 4, not 4, 5, and I will do the same operations here. If I make this now, I assign back the value, it is going to be false. This is how AND operator works. Next, let's go with the OR operator. If you see here, if one of them is true, right? In that case, here if I make, even if I want one operator is true, I want to make this as true. If you see here, this one is true and this one is false, and we get true. Or operator works like that. If one of them is true, it will make us true. So these things, why am I explaining without relying, like some people teach these things with if condition? I'm not going to give if condition. I want you to understand how the output comes. Based on that, you can make a choice, right? Based on that, you can make decision. If you know that the output matters. If you are going to, like, now when there is when we are going to use, when we are going to discuss if condition or while condition, while you will have to there is a syntax like if uh, you know if if comparison, okay, and statement, and while also if comparison and block, and then increment. So the comparison part, you have to make the output as boolean, either true or false. This is how you will make, either you will compare with either relational operators and logical operators and assignment and not assignment operators, identity operators. Combining all those things, you will have make a choice and then make it either true or false. None of them will accept in if condition or while condition, while loop. So it's always either true or false. That's the reason I'm explaining with just with values and output as true. Okay, and finally, if like 3 and if I want to like not equal to, okay, not equal to, if I want like a not equal to sorry, what is it, what we are discussing? Not right, not okay. If okay, I if A is less than B, we know that this is a false. What if I want to make this as true? In that case, what you can do is not A less than B. Now it will become true. Whatever the Boolean value it has, it will convert to the opposite Boolean value. If we get a true and if we use a not in front of it, we'll get false. If we get a false and if we use not in front of it, it will become true. This is the logical operators we will use in Python. Okay.